In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a newsletter pop-up to your Webflow website step by step using Elfsight, and you can do this without touching any complicated code. This is perfect if you want to grow your email list, capture leads, or promote updates directly on your Webflow site. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I regularly post easy Webflow and website tutorials that save you time. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to elfsight.com. Elfsight is a popular platform that provides ready-made widgets you can easily embed into websites like Webflow. Once the website loads, navigate to the Apps catalog. This is where all available widgets are listed. Next, use the search bar in the Apps catalog and type in the word Popup. As you type, you'll see different pop-up-related widgets appear. Look for the Popup widget and click on it to open the available templates. Now you'll see a variety of pop-up templates designed for different use cases, like newsletters, promotions, announcements, and more. Choose a template that fits your newsletter sign-up goal. Don't worry too much about the design right now, because you can customize everything later. Once you've chosen your preferred template, click on Continue with this template. After selecting the template, Elfsight will take you into the widget editor. From here, you can customize the pop-up content, text, email fields, buttons, colors, and display behavior if you want. For now, we'll focus on getting it published and added to Webflow. When you're ready, click on the Publish button. This step generates the embed code that you'll use on your site. Once the widget is published, you'll be prompted to copy the installation code. Click on Copy Code. This code is what connects your Elfsight pop-up to your Webflow website, so keep it handy. Now head over to your Webflow dashboard and open the project where you want the newsletter pop-up to appear. Inside the Webflow designer, decide where you want to place the pop-up code. In most cases, you'll want to add it using an embed element. Drag an embed element onto your page, usually near the body section or inside a global wrapper. Paste the Elfsight code you copied earlier into the embed element, then click Save and Close. After that, publish your Webflow site so the changes go live. Once the site is published, visit your website and you should see the newsletter pop-up appear based on the display rules set in Elfsight. You can always go back to Elfsight to fine-tune when the pop-up appears, whether it's on page load after a delay, on scroll, or on exit intent. This gives you full control over how and when visitors see your newsletter sign up. And that's it. You've successfully added a newsletter pop-up to your Webflow website using Elfsight. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Webflow and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.